guys, hope you all are having a great day. On my last post, I talked about a go-to product that I have been using since 2017, maybe. Yes. It is the Oxo Tot 2-in-1 Potty. I love it. So I'm going to show you guys today how it looks and how easy it is to set up. So it comes in this travel bag. We've had it for years, so ours looks like this now. You open it up, and it comes in one piece, just like this. So not a lot of parts to put together. So you literally open it up and pop the legs out, and they lock. So you don't have to worry about baby or toddler feeling like they're gonna fall. So you can put this in your trunk, just like this. You can put it in the middle of your back seat. You can do any of those. And I have done both things. I've put it in the middle of my back seat if I had to, and I've also put it in the trunk. Then it comes with bags. The replacement bags look like this, and they come in about a pack of 30. So they are great. They look like this. So you open them up just like this. The easiest way I do it, put my hand in where there is an absorbent pad that will soak up the pee. So you do not have a bag of pee in your car or on the go if you don't have a chance to get to a trash can. So you don't have to worry about that. So you open up the bag like this, and you just put it around the potty. Pull it down so it's snug, and I push this part down so you have a place for them to sit. So it looks just like this. Super easy. So sit your baby on there. Potty training with Faith, we started at this when she was about 2.5, and she's 5 now. And I can still fit her on here if we need to, if we're out in public. So trust me, you can use this for a while. If you get this when your child is 2, just potty training, you can still use it until they're well of school age. So I would definitely invest in this, especially if you do road trips like we do, driving far, or personally just for safety. Because every time we go in the bathroom now in public, it's gross. Now with the virus, you don't want to go in places. So this is a great thing to do, hassle-free, using the bathroom in the car without a mess. So when you're done, have your wipes handy in the back seat. I usually have wipes in this bag too. Wipe your child, pull this off, just like that. And you tie it up and dispose of it in your nearest dumpster. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just let me know if you have any more questions about it. And it's easy to close with 2 buttons, just like that. And you'll store it away back into your bag. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.